Oh, Station de l'Orange is plugged. Sacre Bleu is gross. If I'm not mistaken, I think it looks like a French pea soup. Sadly, it don't smell and taste like a French pea soup. I think rather than say, oh, the sink, it is plugged, it'd be more accurate to say, we plugged the sink. I'm afraid of what I might find in here. Oh, no wonder it was plugged. I think I fixed it. Not a toothbrush, but 2 knives, utensils. And while we are at it, let's fix the leaking drain.
So it leaks no more!
It is finished.